Today we're upgrading a Mac 2012 computer, a MacBook Pro. We're currently running on 8 gigs of RAM. So we got Devin 8 gig DDR3, 16 megahertz. 2 of these will fit directly into this Mac 2012. It's a simple setup. You just need a 1/16 hex screwdriver, and it's about, maybe I would say, a 5-minute process. So right now we're gonna just open up the Mac. Be careful, do not lose these screws because they're really hard to find. You can get the screwdriver at Home Depot. So as you can see, the RAM is just right here. So it's accessible. Any chance you get to just give this little fan a dusting is always worth it. Just so it can cool. So if you come closer, the RAM is right here. So we just squeeze these 2 points right here, and it just pops right up. There you go. And the RAM, I didn't even touch the RAM. You just loosen that up, and the RAM pops right out. And you want to do the same for the bottom. And you just open that up, and she comes right out. If you have little hands. There you go. She's coming up a little bit more. She's been in there for a while. Alright, so you just pop that right out. We'll give it another little dust. Looks fairly good for a 7-year-old or 8-year-old computer. I believe there's 204 pins on here. So you want to get the first bit of pins towards the end, and you'll see it break in between that. So you just want to slip it in there. I'll turn it over just for easy access for me. Just want to slip it in there, and it just pops right in. And you just push it down. Then I would recommend you use something more plastic. Don't try this at home, kids. Just give it a little push up in there. Now that one's sturdy. RAM number 1 is in. You do the same for the top. There you go. There you go. And that's it. You have now installed 16 gigs of RAM into your computer. So we loaded the 16 gig RAM.
Woo! Sorry.
As you can see, 16 gigs, 16 megahertz, 1600 megahertz, DDR3. Memory, it'll show you 2 8 gig cards in each slot compared to the 4 gig RAM that we just took out. And that's all. It's just as simple as that.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching that video. Hope that was helpful for those of you who want to know how to put the RAM in your MacBooks. Research it before you get it. Some you can't change the RAM, but a few you can. But like I said, just research before you get it. That website that we got it from was newegg.com. Oh yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.